Removing the door card on the VW Polo MK5. Split the door handle. And you can remove the connector for the mirror controls. Then you'll have two T30 Torx screws. Then there's one more T30 Torx screw under the door speaker. Now using a large pry tool, get behind the door card and start undoing all the clips. Drop the door card down on this corner, as there's a clip that goes under here, and then we need to disconnect the lock cable, door handle cable. Remove the connector for the door locks. Remove the connector for the window switches, and that's the door card removed. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. If it has, then please do take the time to like and comment. Also, subscribe to my channel for more videos on this car and many others. Thank you.